Hey guys, welcome back to Slow Travel Chronicles. My name is Stephanie, and in a twist of fate, our Airbnb canceled on us yesterday, so we are in a new Airbnb, not necessarily where we had planned on staying, but it does appear that it is in a better part of town for all of the stuff we want to do, so that's a plus. It did end up costing us quite a bit more, $700 to be exact, and the design isn't really what I would have picked on the front end, but it doesn't appear that bad actually. So I'm standing at the front door. The one weird thing is there's multiple steps when you come in the front door. So we're going to start up by going up to the right, and I'll take you into the living room and kitchen area. So I am near the living room area. I wanted to point out how low these ceilings are. I am 5'8", so it's pretty low. If you're taller, like 5'10" or more, you have to really be careful not to hit your head. Hopefully this will work out okay. We have a couch, which is good enough size if Garrett and I have to sit together, but they're on the plus side, there's a chair he can sit in. We have some windows to see out, some curtains, that's great, and then we'll pan around over to the kitchen area. We have a table, that's likely where we're going to drop all of our stuff. We have a fridge, freezer, cooktop, oven, dishwasher, which is a plus, and they left plenty of cleaning supplies, so far so good. I almost forgot to show you, we do have a washer here. One of the things that we did mess up on our original Airbnb, there was no washer. I don't know how we missed that. So this is a plus, that we now have a washer and don't have to go to the laundromat. Now we'll go head over to the half bath and the bedroom. So coming up the stairs into the living room, kitchen area, there is a half bath on the stairs. I'll let Garrett show you in there. There's a little beep, 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 beep knocking noise. I don't know what that is. Hopefully it won't drive me crazy. So we're heading into the bedroom. It has a queen size bed, plenty of storage. One of the weird things is our bathroom sink is right here and the shower is right here. There is no separation, there's no door. The shower's big though. I'll let Garrett point it out. And there you have it. That is our Lyon, France Airbnb. At the beginning of the video, when I was giving you a tour of our Lyon, France Airbnb, I mentioned that this was our second Airbnb and that our prior Airbnb canceled. So there's a little bit more to that story, and I wanted to share it with you just so that you can be prepared and stay calm if this situation ever happens to you. It was the day before we were to arrive in Lyon for a month-long stay, and I decided I would message the host and see if we could check in early. Unfortunately, the message I got back was, no, they had to cancel, that they had a water issue. Now, I'm not sure if I believe that or not, but nonetheless, I now had less than 24 hours to find other accommodations in Lyon for a month, which that doesn't seem like it would be hard, but it is hard. We looked and we could find a 2-week stay here and then switch locations to another place. So we spent the good part of probably 6 or 7 hours looking for Airbnbs in Lyon. We also considered going to Paris. We considered going back to Nice. I can't even remember all of the other options that we found. So eventually we decided we would stick with Lyon, and I began messaging several hosts that appeared to have availability. Unfortunately, most of them did not message me back, or they said they wouldn't rent for a month. And finally, we got a guy that messaged back. He did have availability. He was significantly higher than our budget. I think about $1,500 higher than our budget. So I did negotiate with him, and we were able to get his Airbnb. As you saw from the video, it actually worked out to be a pretty decent Airbnb. The only difference was was not in the part of town that we want to stay in. We never want to stay in the city center, and stay tuned for a video. We're going to talk about that in a different video, but we were right in the heart of it. And after we got settled, I worked with Airbnb. They gave me a refund. I can't even remember how much it is. I'll put it on the screen to help offset our costs. They did that in the form of a credit towards a future listing. The moral of the story is have backup plans already selected and maybe in a wish list of places that you might want to go. Maybe do that a week out, especially if you are going for a month-long stay, and maybe have some pre-written messages that you can send to multiple hosts. But be prepared. Any host can cancel on you even less than 24 hours in advance. We just got to Grenoble. This is actually our second trip to the grocery store. Our first one I forgot to film. Anyway, we spent 73 euros roughly, so 80 bucks, 81 US. Here's what we got for that. We have a bag of spicy chips. We have some tortillas, 2 packs of ham lunch meat, 2 packs of very thin chicken, some hamburger, cream cheese and butter, mild taco salsa, peas, white beans, 2 big cans of tuna, pretzels, some pickles, mayonnaise, mustard, Listerine, coffee, Coke Zero, store brand, and a tea. And that is what we got. I hope you liked this week's video. Come back each and every Thursday to see where our adventures take us next. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of the things. Check out our blog, slowtravelchronicles.com. We'll see you next Thursday. Have a great week.